Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up Exfoliating Dermaplaning Tool, Face and Eyebrow Razor with Precision Cover 3 Count, Dermaplaning Razor for Women. Brand, Schick Hydro Silk. Number of blades, 3. Unit count, 3 count. Special feature, travel size. Skin type, all. Size, 3 count, pack of 1. Is discontinued by manufacturer, no. Product dimensions, 0.43 x 3.15 by 7.95 inches, 0.96 ounces. Item model number, 10841058001178. Manufacturer, Edgewell Personal Care. Country of origin, USA. Look your best at a moment's notice. Whether you're looking for an eyebrow razor, face shaver, or peach fuzz remover, our Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up is a great all-in-one option that's the perfect addition to your beauty routine. This multipurpose dermaplaning tool and face razor expertly shapes eyebrows, easily removes fine hairs by dermaplaning, and gently exfoliates and smooths your skin. Its blade is designed with fine microguards to help protect your skin, and it comes with an added precision cover for precise eyebrow shaping. It also makes a great travel razor for fine-tuning on the go. Expertly shape beautiful brows, even on the go, smooth skin by gently exfoliating. Fine microguards to help protect skin. Precision cover for precise eyebrow shaping. Expertly trim and shape eyebrows. Gently removes fine hairs on face and body. Slim, portable size so you can touch up anytime, anywhere. Easy to use, start with a clean, dry face. Hold the wand at a 45-degree angle and glide downward on the skin using short, feathery strokes. Clean the blade as needed by wiping it with a cloth. Moisturize your skin when you're finished. Be sure to install the included protective cover. Quick, easy touch UPS, Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up is a versatile beauty tool that shapes eyebrows, removes fine hairs, and even smooths skin by gently exfoliating. Create beautiful brows, includes a precision cover for precise eyebrow shaping. High-quality blades, dermaplaning tool uniquely designed with fine microguards to help protect your skin from nicks and irritation. Anytime, anywhere, slim, portable-sized travel razor lets you take it wherever you go, so you're always ready for a last-minute touch-up. Convenience, Hydro Silk Touch-Up tools can be recycled using Schick's mailback program.